Hey everyone, my name is Kathryn. Thank you as always for watching my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different around here. Today I am filming a clean with me video. You guys probably know me for my packing, wardrobe, and style related videos here on YouTube, and I absolutely love filming those types of videos, and they will continue to be the main focus of this channel. And another big passion of mine is actually cleaning. Yes, I just called cleaning a passion. Vince and I have been doggy sitting for his parents' dogs this weekend. It's been really fun having them around all weekend, but as a result, we've kind of let the place go to shambles a little bit, and it's time to get things tidied up. So I'm gonna do a whole lot of cleaning today, pretty much every room in my apartment, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So that's a little bit of background on this video in case it seems like it's coming out of left field. If you do like this cleaning video, please, please, please be sure to give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. That will really help me out in knowing if I should dabble in cleaning videos in the future. And if you guys hate this video, don't worry, I've got plenty of packing, wardrobe, and style videos continuing to come your way. So before I start cleaning, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a lay of the land of the place so you can see just what a mess I'm working with. Okay, so here's a view of our master bedroom. As you guys can see, I've already started on some laundry by stripping down our bedding. I've got a load of laundry to fold right here. Another load waiting to go in the washer, as well as a full laundry basket. Yikes. More bedding over here, more stuff to wash down here. I need to dust in here. Here's my coffee, which has made me really hyper this morning. We've got Vince playing Xbox in the spare bedroom, Straker on the bed right here, and Riley on the floor down here. Hi guys! Our bathroom needs a little bit of a wipe down, but otherwise it doesn't look too shabby actually. We've got doggy food over here. We've got dishes to wash over here. We've got a whole bunch of crap on the dining room table. We've got doggy stuff on the floor. We've got Straker on the couch. And then the living room just needs some general picking up and dusting as well. So it's about 12:15 right now, and we actually have the dogs staying with us until 8 p.m. tonight. So that being said, I'm obviously not gonna put their toys away, their food and water and stuff while they're still here, but I am going to kind of just attack the house room by room and start picking up stuff here and there while we still have the dogs with us, and then I'll take care of the living room when they leave later tonight. Without further ado, let's get cleaning. Number one complete, only about 20 more tasks to go. Alright you guys, so I just got all of my laundry sorted, and it's actually not too bad. So basically over here I've got a pile of workout clothes, a load of colds, a load of jeans, this is a blanket for our bed, and then another load of colds right here. I've already got a load of warms going in the washing machine right now, and it looks like there's only 5 loads left to do. However, I'm probably gonna have Vince do some of this laundry this week if I don't get around to doing all of it today. But really, it's not too bad. I'll definitely wash the blanket next so I can obviously get the bed reassembled, but we are in good shape when it comes to laundry. So I'm going to watch a cleaning video while I film a cleaning video of me cleaning my home. Trippy. good shape now. As you guys saw, I did some dishes, wiped down the sink, wiped down the fridge and microwave area a little bit, and then started wiping down the counters. I'm going to wipe down the stove and the rest of the counters after Vince cooks dinner tonight, and then I'll also vacuum the floors later as well. But for now, the kitchen is in a pretty good place. Good one, Vince.
It's like Napoleon Dynamite.
Yeah. Alright guys, just checking in. It is now 3:50 and I have been cleaning off and on today. As you guys saw, I just finished folding a load of laundry. I think I've done like 3 or 4 loads of laundry so far. I'm not sure, I've lost track. Put away some stuff on our dining room table and wiped that down with the sea salt neroli Caldrea spray. That stuff smells so good. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers using that countertop spray in their videos, and I'm really glad I picked it up for myself because it smells amazing. So that's everything I've cleaned so far today. I'm going to rest for a little while, continue to hang out with the dogs, and then I will pick back up with cleaning later on tonight after dark. So I'll see you guys in a few hours to finish up my cleaning. Bye! Hello again. I traded one Badger sweatshirt for another Badger sweatshirt and then gray sweats for black sweats. This is my Sunday look, y'all. Vince is cooking us dinner right now. You can actually probably hear him chopping. or maybe singing to himself. And I am going to continue on with some cleaning, starting with dusting our spare bedroom. Vince and I tackled the rest of the cleaning around this place, and it feels so good to have a fresh, clean house to kick off the new work week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, I know it's definitely a departure from what I usually film on my channel, but if you did like it, please remember to give the video a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Leave me a comment below if you enjoyed it, and if you didn't enjoy it, don't be mean. Don't worry, because I'll definitely be sticking to my style, wardrobe, and packing content for the most part here on my channel. I hope you guys are having a good one, and I will see you soon in my next video. Catch you later. Bye.